What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Caspians, I am back with another video for you guys. I hope you guys are buying that dip, man. You know, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I hope that you are buying this dip in cash because you might not see prices like this very soon. The halving is less than a year away. Think about that. The Bitcoin halving is less than 1 year away, okay? And majority of the time that signals, like in previous cycles, from all previous cycles, when we see that halving is when we see a huge parabolic move in all crypto, in majority of crypto assets, right? We see the bull run in full effect, right? A lot of people would argue the bull run is already here after we got that $16,000 bottom last year, but we don't see the full effect yet, right? And getting closer and closer to the halving, it's gonna get crazy. So guess what? You have your altcoin portfolio. Make sure you're scooping up these dips, man. Not financial advice, obviously, but this is the time to be buying, guys. I'm telling you, this is when the life-changing gains are made, in my opinion, okay? And you know how fast time is moving, man. We're almost at the end of the year, guys. It's only a few more months. And that is insane to think about, how fast time is moving. Before you know it, the bull run will come and go. It's gonna be here and it's gone, just like that. So make sure you prepare yourself, guys. We got a lot of stuff to go through in this video. Caspians, if you're tuning in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Truly appreciate the support. As always, guys, I was out a few days because I had some crazy headaches, but I think this is the plan. Upload for like 20-30 days straight, then take a few days off, right? And we're just gonna dive into it. First thing we're gonna check out is the Kaspa chart. Right now Kas is sitting at 384 cent. You guys in the live stream, we saw that Kas would, you know, point out support here at this 3.6 cent mark. This was a previous resistance, right? And now Kas looks like it's flipped it into support. It bounced off of this previous resistance, it bounced from it, right? And now we're probably gonna see a retest, and then we see a breakout from that level, right? If we go to the daily chart, a lot of people are arguing from the daily. We're seeing a huge cup and handle pattern on the daily chart for Kas, right? And we could see the bounce out from here. We just had a recent flash crash in the markets, and you know, we're gonna get into that as well. Bitcoin just went straight down to like $26,000, like swinging Bitcoin, one of the king of crypto, is swinging like thousands of dollars like it's nothing, like it's a crap coin, right? Like it's a meme coin. It's swinging thousands of dollars from 30,000 all the way down to 26,000 in like what, seconds? Right? It's happening like not seconds, but like, you know, in hours, like in a day. Like it's so fast. We could see this type of price action in the king of crypto. In my opinion, that is super bullish, because if we could see so much, you know, price action, these huge swings to the downside in you know, the king, if we could see these huge swings to the downside, we could see huge swings to the upside as well, right? And that's why, like, get into like 100k 150k Bitcoin is not gonna be crazy. It's not gonna be difficult, and alts are gonna crush it. And projects like Kas that have, you know, the freaking internet crypto space, taking the crypto space by storm, projects like Kaspa, they're gonna be the best performers, in my opinion. Even if it's sitting at less than $1 billion in market cap, it's gonna be one of the best performers this cycle, you know. And I'm not gonna, you know, take back what I say about that, because, you know, we see what happened. Give me a second. We saw what happened last year. It was literally in the market, worst market conditions ever, worst terrible situation ever last year, with everything just crashing. Kas was the only one of the altcoins that was breaking out against Bitcoin, and the whole time it's existed, it is you know, to crazy upside levels against Bitcoin. We could also see on the RSI, on the daily chart, you know, we kind of seen like back here how it kind of like curled down a bit, then curved up. It came way down super deep. Maybe it's gonna do like it did back here for the RSI, right? It's gonna curl in this area and then go back up to this peak level. We'll see if that happens for the daily RSI. And yeah guys, super bullish on CAS, and I think CAS is gonna be like one of those alts that, you know, you write down in the history books, right? Just like Solana, Matic, ADA, when people XRP, when people make crazy money off those. I think CAS is the next one that's gonna be written down in the history books of crypto. Watch a guru, Justin, Chinese property giant Evergrande files for bankruptcy. Again, like huge swings to the downside, because look at this, Evergrande. We saw Evergrande was in a ton of trouble. Now it officially files for bankruptcy, and you guys already know Evergrande is like one of those top banking institutional stock TradFi companies. Had $310 billion in debt to bondholders, banks, building contractors, and other creditors. A lot of people in China will be affected by this, so this is really sad news to hear. Oh, that's the full article. Oh my gosh, that's a very short article. China Evergrande appears to be suffering from file for Chapter 15 bankruptcy, right? U.S. assets while they're restricting arrangements elsewhere, right? And you guys already saw like last year when it had so many issues, a lot of people from China could had money banked with Evergrande, and they were in a ton of problems. Now it's official, they're filing for bankruptcy, and again taking a huge hit on the markets overall. And that's probably why, another one of the reasons why CAS is having this retrace. Typically the overall markets don't affect CAS, but when you have a flash crash in the whole market, you know, majority of altcoins will be affected. Still not down that much though, right? Still not as deep as people expect, and we already look like we're bouncing from here. From documenting CAS, 1,600 more CAS holders, and yesterday we were getting close to 300k. New hash rate all-time high, 11 PHS reached today. The network is growing day by day, yet we're still early. Follow to document the journey together. Look at this, man. 300,000, almost 300,000 active addresses, and the hash rate of CAS is reaching new all-time highs consistently. You can see also you got the you know, the rich list, like the which animal are you, right? The shrimp with 100 CAS, crab with 1k, octopus 1 to 10k, fish with 10 to 100k, dolphin, I'm in that dolphin range, shark, whale, humpback, aquaman. One bill to 10 bill. No, 0%. I was about to say, who holding a billion? Now there are some humpback whales, like the person that just bought 7 million Kaspa, like what, a few days ago, when before I you know, took my days off. And you know, they got some whales and sharks in CAS, that's for sure. You know, I wish I was a shark, but it is what it is, man. Step 1, check Kaspa hash rate increase, correlate what to happen to BTC and hash rate increase. Don't be underexposed to CAS. Shout out to Cryptographer for the constant research and correlation. Jim Skibum is a legend. Shout out to Seps as well. CAS hash rate hitting new all-time highs, and look at what happened with the Bitcoin price action as the Bitcoin hash rate hit new all-time highs. Look at the Bitcoin price history as Bitcoin hit new all-time highs, guys. Look at this, okay? As the hash rate of Bitcoin went up, Bitcoin's price action followed, man. And it's gonna be, I really think it's gonna be the same thing here with CAS, as Kaspa's hash rate just keeps hitting new all-time highs. The price action will follow. Again, I say don't miss CAS. Chronic's been a couple of days since I've mentioned CAS. It's forming a huge cup and handle pattern on the chart, as much as I've tried not to buy anymore after it broke 2 cents. I think the price region now might be the lowest we see it again, if you could grab it at 3.5 cents. And we actually talked about that in the stream. Shout out to Burke and a few others in the live stream. We said this would be the support level, because you could literally go back and see this was a previous resistance. We pulled back, but we broke that. We broke this resistance, and now boom, we're treating it as a support level, right? So we'll see what happens from here. And from Crypto Titan, Cas always shining even while market dips. It's always outperforming in something, whether it's price, number of holders, number of whales, and most important, hash rate. Price dropping is fine. Granted, we have the fundamentals and strengthening network security, right? 11 PHS, 11.7 PHS. The hash rate for Cas is increasing constantly. That is overall bullish. Not worried about the price action for Cas. I already said, holding straight into the bull cycle, not worrying about a thing with Cas, because the fundamentals, community, everything, the technology, none of that has changed, right? Cas is still here. Cas is gonna continue to take over. We're gonna end the video right here. Got a couple more videos I'm gonna upload for you guys, so make sure to tune into those as well. Caspians, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, tune into the live streams. Check out the previous Kaspa videos. Go through the Kaspa playlist that I have on the channel for more content. Really appreciate every single one of you guys. Get this video out, share it with your friends and family. Let's take over. I'll catch you in the next one.